activities and adventures. As you have read by the title, I am going to be decorating my Christmas tree, and I am super excited for it because this is my first time decorating a proper Christmas tree, and we've never done Christmas before, so this is our first year doing it, and I'm just so excited. So this is our Christmas tree. So we got this Christmas tree from Home Bargains for £50, and it is a 7-feet snowy tree. And as you can see, it is flocked. And I really wanted this Christmas tree because I just really like how the artificial snow goes on the tree. And before we get in the video, I am going to be doing a OOTD of the day. So this is just like a sweatshirt, and it is from Lidl, and it says New York. And then these leggings are from Primark, and I am wearing fuzzy socks. And those are also from Lidl. And if you didn't know, I am obsessed with fuzzy socks. I love them so much. I wear them literally everywhere. But yeah, so let's get in the video. So guys, I have opened the box up, and here is the tree, and there is 2 more pots, so it is quite a heavy and big tree, and it is making a mess everywhere. And this is the stand. It is a metal stand, and yeah, so now we have to put each branch individually, put them down, so this is going to take a while. As you can see in this video, guys, I am opening up all the stuff, and yeah, so you can't really see all the stuff because it's on the floor, but I am opening all the stuff there, and it takes quite a while, and yeah. But I got the stands, as you can see. So that is the stand of the Christmas tree. As you can see, I'm just taking the plastic off, and yeah, so that's how it's gonna be, like that at the bottom. As you can see, guys, I am screwing the stand so that it doesn't like go inside and our whole Christmas tree doesn't fall over. So yeah, and that is the first half of the Christmas tree. So there are 3 bits on this Christmas tree: the bottom, the middle, and the top, and that is the bottom. And it is quite heavy, to be honest, but as you can see, the flock on the tree, and it looks so good. But right now it is very flat, and we'll have to sort that out. So here I am putting the Christmas tree, the bottom bit, on the stand, and it was quite easy. You just had to put it, and the stand was easy to like screw on and screw off, which was good. And yeah. As you can see, guys, I am now finally putting the Christmas tree up, and that is the bottom of it. And this Christmas tree was actually quite easy to like take out because it was wired, so it'd be easy. It would just come straight down, so that was good. And yeah, so this is the first half, and this is gonna take a while. But look how good the flock looks on the tree. I love how the snow looks. So guys, I have finally put up the tree, but we still need a lot of things to do. So we have to branch all these branches out, and that is going to take a long time. But yeah, so finally got it all in one piece, and it is very big. It is taller than me. So here I am sorting out the tree, and as you can see, it is taking quite a while because you have to perfect every branch, and there are a lot of branches, but I quite like it because I've never done this before, so I'm enjoying this. So eventually I had to call my mom because it was taking forever to finish this. So she was going from the top and I was going from the bottom, and then yeah, so it turned out so good and I can't wait to show you guys. But yeah, so we are just putting the tree in its perfect way. So as you guys saw in that clip, my mom helped me puff out the tree, and now we are going to be putting the lights on, and as you can see, the tree looks so nice, and it is taller than me, and I can't even reach the top. It is that big, and I really like it. But the one bad thing about this is that it has made a lot of mess, and I mean a lot, but that's okay. So we are going to be putting the lighting on the tree, so yeah, I can't wait to do that. So guys, these are the lights that I have, and they are yellow, and we are going to put all these in this tree everywhere, so I can't wait. So it took quite a while putting the lights on the tree because the lights were a bit small, so we couldn't put it all around the tree, but we ended up figuring out a way. But I really like those trees. I mean, like, it was really nice, and it's balls, and they also have 8 different functions, so you can put it 8 different ways, and they'd like change 8 different ways, which was so cool. So guys, we have just bought the lights up, and we bought this 100-pack lights from Home Bargains, and it is all in the tree, and you can't see it clearly now, but once we put the ornaments, then you'll see it perfectly. And as I just said, we are going to be putting the ornaments on, and we have a lot of ornaments, and our tree theme is going to be rose gold, and a bit of white. So yeah, and I can't wait. So I've started putting the ornaments on the tree, and let's just say it's gonna take a long time because it is a big tree and we have a lot of ornaments, and yeah, so fun. And this is my first time decorating a tree and opening it and also unboxing it, so can't wait. So as you can see, there are more baubles going on the tree, and there will be more because we have a lot, but we are making progress, so yeah. And there are quite a few now on the tree, but we still have quite a lot to go. As you can see, guys, all the baubles are up on the tree now, and finally, that took so long, as you can see, but now we are going to be putting this tinsel on the tree now, and hopefully it doesn't take as long as the baubles because that just took a very long time. But so now we're just going to be wrapping this rose gold tinsel, which is quite big, and it's thin and it's big, so it's gonna go all around the tree and hopefully it looks good. So guys, this is our tree topper, and it is gold and it is quite big, which I really like, and it is a star. So we are going to be putting this right on top of the tree, and the top bit is quite long, so we might have to fold it, but let's see if this fits by itself. And it's quite a long journey to get all the way up here. you fold this, so as you can see, I am putting the star on the tree, but it just isn't going because the top of the tree is quite long, so even if I'm folding it, it is just not going in. And I'm trying a lot, but it's just not going in, so we don't know what we're gonna do. We do have another star topper, but let's see. Now, as you can see, my mum is now coming and trying to put the star on top, so hopefully that works. As you can see in my hands, that is the new star topper we might be putting on, so hopefully that one works now. So guys, this is what our tree ended up looking like. It's quite different to what we wanted it to be, but I really still like it. So these ornaments, if you were thinking, we didn't put these before, but then we went out and got some more because we wanted to fill the whole tree up. So this ornament, which is red, and if you didn't know, it's like deer shaped, as you can see, and it's 3D, and it's glittery too. Nice. And this is from Next, and then these ones, these small ones too, they're from Next too. They're so nice. They're miniature ones, and I really like them because they're gold too. And our whole theme is like red, gold, and pink and rose gold type, and silver too. And then we also put tinsel, as you can see, rose gold tinsel and a bit more tinsel, but just smaller. And then here, we got some more red tinsel here. We have a lot of tinsel here. So we had some hallway decorations and it was amazing. As you can see, a picture. And as you can see, we used the red tinsel and more white tinsel and a lot more tinsel everywhere on the doors, on our staircase, on top of the mirror. It was like a Christmas wonderland and it was so nice. And our whole home just felt very Christmassy. So guys, this is our Christmas house decorations. Hope you like it. If you did, smash that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Obviously, please subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love you all. Bye.